Let's start with the man's perspective. You bend it facing the audience, standing on the left leg. Place your hands on the lady's waist. Bend your left knee, reach with the right leg to the right side without shifting your weight yet. Then actively push off the left leg, shift your weight to the right one. Right knee should be bent immediately. Tilt your upper body to the right, avoid leaning forward, keep your right hand strong to support the lady's back and look at her. Then push off the right leg, shift your weight to the left leg, keep facing the audience, connect right foot to left foot, but don't shift your weight to it. Then take a step backward with the right leg, lower your hands along your body and connect your feet. Now the lady's perspective. You bend it with your left side to the man on his right side. Left hand goes on his shoulder behind his neck. Now bend both your knees, take a step backward with the right leg. Right knee is bent, left leg is straight and in front of you. Direct your hips forward and up and tilt your upper body and head backward, looking at the man. Then push off the right leg, take a step forward with the left one, connect your feet, rotate to face the man. Then take a step backward with the left leg, connect your feet and lower your hands. Let's show the dip from the front as well. Ladies, bend your knees, step backward, hips go forward and up, tilt your upper body, push off the right leg, face your partner and step away from each other. During the dip, it's very important to avoid pulling the man with you. Try to stay within your own balance as much as you can. Let's go back to our proper direction to count the dip. And 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.